Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to bake my signature chocolate coffee cake. So to make this video simple, we're going to do things pretty faster. To watch a more detailed video, you watch our last video, which I'm going to put somewhere here for you guys to see. So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and let's get into the baking proper. Okay. So in here I have all my dry ingredients mixed all together. So I have 100 grams of all-purpose flour. I have 50 grams of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of coffee, 50 grams of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 5 tablespoons of powdered milk. So that's all my dry ingredients in one bowl. So mix this all up together and we are ready to proceed with our wet ingredient. So in our wet ingredients is just milk. So we're gonna add a mug of liquid milk. Mix that all together too. In that mixture, we're also going to add 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and we're also going to add 5 drops of vanilla essence. So there. So just added in the vegetable oil and we'll mix that all together. Then we transfer to the batter and bake. When I come back, you're going to see the final result. Okay guys, you know how we do it here. So we don't have an oven. I don't have an oven in my house. So I use my normal method. Like I said before, you watched the previous videos on how the step-by-step process, but this one I'm trying to keep this video very short as possible. So our batter is ready. I'm about to transfer it into our 6 inches cake pan. So there. So I'll just pour that in. I think I still have excess left. I'll just put it in another can. I ended up transferring it from the 6.5 inches pan to the 7 inches pan so that we would have space. So there. See that rich chocolate goodness. While we're waiting for it to cook, let me entertain you. Remember to share, like, subscribe, comment. Okay guys, we're back and our cake is ready. Do you want to see what it looks like? Ta-da! We have this rich chocolate, coffee, chocolate coffee cake. It smells good. I can smell the chocolate. I can also smell the coffee. So guys, that brings an end to our video today. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you ever recreate this cake, remember to tag us in it and comment down below what type of cake you want us to do, because your girl is ready to do any type of cake just for you. So with that being said, we are saying bye-bye. Let me make you enjoy this cake up close. Bye.